Image to Posts AI is a brand new software that promises to change the way you create social media content. And today, I'm going to reveal the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it before you dive in. If you've been looking for a tool that can help you automate and optimize your image to post process, this is the one to keep an eye on. Trust me, you'll want to stay until the end because I'll also give you my top recommendations after trying out thousands of AI tools. Now, before we dive in, you can try Image to Posts AI for free by clicking the link in the description below. So, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to know about Image to Posts AI is how it works. Simply put, this tool converts images into ready-to-post social media content. It's not just about resizing or formatting your image, it's smarter than that. Image to Post AI uses deep learning to understand the context of your image, generate relevant captions, and even suggest hashtags. If you're struggling with coming up with engaging posts for your social media, this tool takes a lot of the guesswork out of it. What makes it stand out from other image-to-text software is its ability to offer unique context-driven captions. You're not just getting a generic automated description. Image to Post AI tailors the message to the type of content you're posting, whether that's for Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. This means you'll be able to stay on brand while letting AI do a lot of the heavy lifting. Next, let's talk about how fast it is. Image to Post AI is extremely efficient. It allows you to upload an image and get a social media ready post within minutes. That's a major time saver, especially for busy marketers or businesses that need to keep their social media posts consistent and high quality. You'll have more time to focus on strategy while the software handles the content creation. Another thing worth noting is the variety of post styles the tool supports. Whether you're creating promotional posts, event announcements, or even inspirational content, Image to Posts AI gives you flexibility. You can tweak the post format or caption to suit your needs. The software offers templates for different platforms too, ensuring your post fits the format requirements automatically. But it doesn't stop there. One of the most impressive features is the AI's ability to suggest relevant, trending hashtags. By analyzing current trends and your specific content, it helps your post get discovered by a broader audience. This can be a game changer, especially when you're trying to boost engagement and grow your online presence. Not having to manually research hashtags saves a ton of time. Now, if you're worried about customization, don't be. Image to Posts AI gives you control. You can edit the captions, change the suggested hashtags, and adjust the formatting of the post. It's not a set it and forget it tool. You still have full creative control over your content. A common question that comes up is this AI tool really reliable? From my experience, Image to Posts AI delivers high-quality, coherent posts that don't feel robotic or automated. The AI understands the tone and voice of your content, and it adapts accordingly. However, it's still important to double-check your posts for any tweaks you might want to make. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. You can try Image to Posts AI for free, which is great because it gives you a chance to test out its features before committing. After the free trial, there are different pricing plans based on your needs. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, the pricing is competitive and the time saved is well worth it. If you're serious about enhancing your social media presence, Image to Posts AI is definitely worth trying. It's a tool designed to save you time and make your posts stand out. But don't just take my word for it. Go ahead and try it yourself for free by clicking the link below. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and after all that, I've handpicked some of the best ones for you. If you're looking for more AI software to optimize your digital marketing efforts, check out the other tools in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.